Sunday, the 2nd of August, and this is our weekly weather update for the nation. Now, there's a lot of fronts moving through the south, so it's just going to be a week that we take it day by day to actually get the breakdown. Okay, so starting on Sunday, this is the rainfall accumulation. We can see the front is starting to move through the southeast here, but it really ramps in on Monday. But because it's quite south in where it's positioned, not a lot of rainfall meets the mainland. It's mainly down here in Tassie. We start to see the development of a front and a trough off the west coast, which take effect really on the Tuesday, delivering some rainfall totals there. But this high pressure system develops across the east, leading to multiple days of quite cool minimum temperatures, but some sunny, warm days. All right, so Wednesday, that calm period starts to settle in. Thursday, there's a bit more rain or showers in the WA region, ready for Friday when the next front moves into WA, and this front is going to make its way to the southeast, where on Saturday it starts to establish itself in South Australia and Victoria, for Sunday to be major falls in the ranges across Victoria and into southern New South Wales. And then by Monday, we've got another front moving through in WA, and then that front has moved across into the east coast of New South Wales. So there's that rain on the way. None of those fronts are particularly strong. There's not intense rainfall on the way. There's also not intense wind in most of the fronts. This Monday one does have the potential to bring some strong gusts into WA, but for the most part, they're not very rainy and they're not very windy. So a bit of moisture on the way. As for the north of the country, it is fairly stable throughout most of the week, although on Friday we see some light showers available on the east coast of Queensland, so right there. Okay, so that's the update. Let's have a look just at where we're going to see on totals. So across the south is going to see anywhere between sort of 1 and 5 mils, with small pockets in the 10 to sort of 25 mils in the west and also down here in the ranges, with most of the rainfall in Tassie up in the north, sort of 50 to 75 mils, because those fronts are sitting just further south in the track. It is pretty much dry across the north, hence the dry season, so that's to be expected. That is our weather update. We go state by state for a daily breakdown if you're interested, so check that out at Farm Online Weather. We'll see you next week and stay safe.